Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crochet Art.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet a friendship band with using beads for beginners. Don't miss any part of the video. In this video, you will need leftover yarn, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. I am using beads of different colors. You can use whatever you have. Fabric glue, scissors, matches, or lighters. $20 beads. Leave long tail. Make a crochet knot. Make 5 chains. Slip stitch into the first chain. Now work in this circle. Chain 3. Make 2 incomplete double crochets into the circle. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook in the circle, and bring a loop. Wrap the yarn and pull through 2 loops. Again, wrap the yarn and go into the circle. Pull the yarn. Wrap the yarn and pull through 2 loops. Chain 3 counts a double crochet. Now you will have 3 incomplete double crochet. Wrap the yarn and pull through 3 loops on your hook. To complete the stitch, chain 1. Take a bead and make a chain. Again, make 3 incomplete double crochets in the circle. Chain 3. Turn your work to the back side. On one side of the bead, make 3 incomplete double crochets. Now yarn over and complete the stitch. Chain 1. Take bead and make a chain. Next to the bead, make 3 incomplete double crochets. Complete the stitch. Chain 3. Repeat this process until you reach your desired length. No beading in the last round. Now make a chain and turn your work. Make a slip stitch on the top of the stitch. Make a slip stitch into the two-chain space. Make as many chains as you want to tie the bracelet. Pull up the loop. Cut the yarn and pull tight. Your headband will look like this. Insert the hook in the middle of the chain. To make chains on the other side, yarn over and bring the yarn through the chain. Make chains as many as you want, or as much as the tail left. It will look like this. Cut the extra yarn and secure with lighters. If you like my video, then like it and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to press the subscribe button. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.